How to find your transaction history of exchange of coins on your TikTok account. Hello guys, today I will teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First you will just open your TikTok, and then when your TikTok is open, as you see, you will just go here on your profile, open your profile, then and after this go to this three line at the top of the screen. Then you will go to the bottom of the screen and click on settings and privacy. And after this guys, you will just go to balance here and click. And after when you click balance, you will wait just little, then you will go to this icon, wait for it here, then you will click, and then you will change this. I'll type to exchange for coins like this, and that's it. So as you see, no instruction yet, and that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.